is supposed to... My chair sunk. What's going on, everybody? If you're like me, you love being around a campfire and eating and talking and enjoying life with people when you're out in the wilderness camping or hiking. Heather and I often joke that a lot of our hiking seems to be going to cool places to have snacks and take pictures. And there's some truth to that. Learning how to properly build a fire and a fire pit when you're out in the woods is a lot of work, and it still damages the area that you're at. So is there a better solution? Well, that's what I got this Takibi Fire and Grill set from Snow Peak to try out. Now, this is designed to be easily set up by beginners and experienced campers alike. And I want to put that to the test because I also want to put to the test the other claim that it doesn't damage the ground around it. It has a fire plate and then it's a stainless steel design. So it's meant to give you a fire pit or a charcoal pit, something that you can cook on, stay warm around without sort of damaging the area you're in. Let's get into it and kind of see if it lives up to those claims of being easy to set up and a lot less damage to the environment. Now, before we actually go visit my family, we're gonna make some pine cone hot dogs on this. It's gonna be really fun to test it out. But I wanna give it a dry run here to kind of, one, obviously get everything out of the box, but then two, make sure that it is easy and simple to set up. So let's hop into setting it up right now for the very first time. I've never looked at this before, so if I can do this very easily, you all will be able to as well. and then boom, everything's packed back up and ready to go. I mean, as far as ease of use goes, yes, this was very easy to set up and tear down and do all of that. This is obviously not a light system, but it is very slim. I mean, look at this. And then everything packs away very nicely in this included canvas bag. And it seems like it would be great for especially car camping, because you can just slide this in the car. It packs flat, so it's easy to store. But let's go get some clothes on that are better for being out in the world, and the hot dogs and the sauces that we need. And don't forget our tongues. And let's go. All right, this is much better for being out in public. So let's go get everything started. It took forever, but the upgrades to the Jeep back actually look pretty good. Good. And that's easy to set up. I just wanted to jump in here and say, after using this and kind of experiencing everything, I get why this was sent to me now. Because I immediately jumped on the Snow Peak website and started looking up like the garden table expansion set, the Floga, the oven, all the little accessories that you can add on to this. And I've started thinking about like setting up an area out here with a little more permanent fire pit for the Takibi, but then just being able to sit it in it when we need a fire and want to hang out and enjoy that, but then also still have it to take with me. And so sparked a lot of cool ideas and a lot more ways for me to spend money with Snow Peak. So this is clever. But this has been a really fun experience. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments below. And let's get back into the video where I kind of talk about the rest of it and my thoughts on it. And just like that, we're packed up and ready to go. I mean, this thing was super easy to use. I had it set up and going in about 2 minutes. And the whole process of getting it out and breaking it down after the fact was really, really easy. It did not burn the very dry grass, which is what it was designed to do, but I didn't believe totally. And I mean, yeah, it's just, I hate that I don't have any sort of critiques about it, because when I don't have those, you guys don't believe that I'm doing an honest review, but honestly, this thing is really awesome. And the only thing I could say about it is maybe the weight, because all in, it's like 35 pounds to kind of carry around. So if you're like just getting into camping, or if you just want a nice portable fire pit that also you don't need to have anything extra with, this little kit is really great. Definitely check it out. And if you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below and give me a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye.